So that thing's been sitting for about 2.5 months with the trickle charger on it, but started right up. So yes, we have another Cabriolet. This one's an 87. This one sits at our beach house because we didn't have a use for it, and we didn't want it sitting outside. So this one is actually K-Jetronic fuel injection, or K-Jet, K-Lambda. I was having some running trouble with it a couple years ago, so I rigged up my own fuel pressure gauge. Went through all kinds of stuff thinking it was fuel injectors, fuel distributor, fuel lines, and turns out it was the damn spark plug wires, even though they were new. Anyway, there we are, cold start, another project someday. I've done a lot of engine suspension stuff to this car over the years, but the top's pretty sad. And I was given another top, and by the time I got it on, I realized it was just as bad as the other one. Plus it's blue. It was so dirty it looked black. Anyway, there we go.